Welcome to Tutorial Lore. Alrajhi Bank is one of the largest Islamic banks in the world, and its mobile banking app is widely used across the Middle East for managing finances on the go. This video explains how the Alrajhi Bank mobile app works, what features it includes, and what real users are currently saying about the experience. The app is available for Android and iOS users and allows account holders to access their bank services digitally. After downloading, users must log in using their customer ID or username along with a password or biometric verification if enabled. The home dashboard displays account balances, quick access to transfers, and recent transaction details. Navigation is organized by tabs for accounts, cards, transfers, payments, and investments. Key features include local and international transfers, SATD bill payments, card management options, and investment tracking. The app also supports request services like card replacement, account statement downloads, and activating debit or credit cards. Biometric login using fingerprint or Face ID is available on supported devices for added convenience and security. According to current App Store reviews, many users appreciate the wide range of banking functions available in one place. Several mention smooth transfers and clear layout as strengths. However, some users report technical issues such as failed login attempts due to GPS restrictions or difficulty accessing customer support during app outages. These concerns appear to be most common after major updates or maintenance periods. Overall, the Alrajhi Bank app is a full-featured digital banking solution that covers daily banking needs effectively. While the app is well designed for its main audience, it may benefit from more stability and fewer verification interruptions, particularly for international users. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutorialorbiz@gmail.com.